How to log in into Bristol Control Tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Bristol Control Tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Bristol Control Tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Now in order to log in, scroll down and tap on this option which says Manage your council tax account online. Wait for a while until this page loads up completely. Now on this page, at the upper right corner, here you will see your accounts option. Click on it. Now you can tap on any of the digital service which you want to log in. You can select any of the service you want. For instance, I'll be using this first option that says housing benefit. Wait for a while until this page loads up. Scroll down and here you will see sign in to your housing benefit account option. Click on it and now you need to enter your email address in order to log in into your account. If you already have done this, you can tap on sign in to your account option below the next. And with that, you are successfully logged in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.